everyone. We have to discuss about the GS paper 1 maths answer writing. Only I guess. Question number 1. Underlying the change in the field of the society and economic from the Rig Vedics and to the later Vedics. And core demands of the questions. Underlines the changes in the field of the society from the Rig Vedic and to the later Vedic period, and highlighted the changes in the field economic and from the Rig Vedic and to the later Vedic period. Answer. The Rig Vedic period 1500 and 100, 1500 and 100, 1000 BC. 1500 to 1000 BC marks the early phase of the Vedic civilization, primarily pastorals and the focused on the cattle rearings during the later Vedic period. 1600 BCE society transnational towards and the agrarian economy with the greater reliance on the settled agriculture and complex society structure. This shift significantly impacted social, economically and politically life as the Ganga Valley became the cultures and the economic hub of Vedic society. Changes in the society from Rig Vedics and to later Vedic period. Varna system evolutions. The Rig Vedic society had other flexible society structures and Varna layers. Vedic period show the formalizations of the Varna systems and with the Brahmins and the castes dominating society. For example, the Purushas and the Shuktas in the later Vedic describes and the creation of the four Varnas. Patriarchal societies, the status of the woman declines and during the later Vedic period as the patriarchal norms becomes the more and entrenched and with the limited rights and for the women in education and poverty. For example, the Rig Vedic women and enjoy the freedoms in choosing spouses, but by the later Vedic and practices like the child marriages emerge. Role of the Brahmins. The Brahmins gains significant power during the later Vedic period, controlling religions, rituals and advertising rules on the government, making them other powerful social classes. For example, the Yajur-Vedas and highlighted the role of the Brahmins and in the conducting the elaboration rituals and for kings, villages, settlements and the later Vedic period and show the rise of the village-based society, where settled agricultures become the norms and leading to the more complex community and structures. For examples, the Ganga, Yamuna and Doab becomes the central reason for the new and the agriculture community. Political changes in the Rig Vedics and period, the government was the merged by the tribals and assemblies like the Sabha and the Samitis, entering in the participatory and forms of decision making by the later Vedic periods, and thus the assemblies and were the gradually replaced by monarchical kingdoms or the Mahajanpadas and centralized power. Centralized powers in the hand of the king. Family structures. The joint family system becomes the common and with the male head of the society holding the authority over land and the resources, reflecting the shift towards the agrarian life. For example, the Dharma Shastras and from the later Vedic period faces and the joint families as the basis unit of the society. Religious shift. Worship shifted and from the nature's god as the Varunas and Indras and Agnis in the Rig Vedic period to more elaborate rituals and the deities like the Prajapatis in the later period, indicating changes in the religious practices. For example, the Agni and the worship of the Rig Vedic times and gives way to the explain the Yajnash, and in the later Vedic period, the caste and the stratifications, the social stratifications and intensified and with the lower Varnas increasingly marginalized and the restricted to the menial task. Change in the economic and from the Rig Vedic period into the later Vedic period. Pastoral to the agrarian economic and the Rig Vedic economic and was the largely and the largely and the pastorals, and but in the later Vedic period agriculture becomes the primary and the economic activities with surplus productions and leading to trade. And for example, iron plows and tools and were the used in the Gangas and valley in the later Vedic eras and boosting the agriculture productivity. Land ownerships, the concept of the private land and ownerships and becomes the prominent during the later Vedic period and with kings the granting land to Brahmins and markings either shift and from the collecting posturals land use. For example, the terms bhumi and dhan land donation in the latter text reflects the importance of the land grant. Trade and commerce. A society becomes the more agrarian trained and the commerce expanded and with the emerging market and the use of the barter systems. And for example, exchange for purpose the Syrians and gold are mentioned in the letters and text, and organized trader and artisans into the professionals groups, and cattle and wealth to land wealth. While cattle remains the importance in the Vedic period and the later Vedic period shifted focus towards land wealth and as the agricultures grow in importance. For example, the Rig Vedic and the Gavishti and the Kushti for the cattle was replaced by the Ash, Vumeghas and the Yajnas, and which symbolized and the territorial dominance. Expansion of the settlement, and with the rise of agriculture and the settlement expanded from the Sapt Sindhu regions and to the Ganges plains and leading to the new political and economic center. For example, the Mahajanpadas emerged as the significant economically regions and in the later Vedic period. Barter to proto and the currency. The later Vedic economics show the shift and from other barter systems to the use of proto currencies, reflecting growing and complexities in trade. For example, yearly norms, yearly forms and of the coins and like the objects such as the Nishkas and Krishnalas and were used and for the trade. Taxations and the revenue systems. The later Vedic kings and introduced the taxation system collecting the revenue from agriculture, which laid the foundations for the future economic policies. The shift from the Rig Vedic and to the later Vedic period and show society evolved from and the egalitarian structure to other more and the stratified hierarchies and marked by the emergence of the Varna systems economically and the transitions from the pastoralism and to the agriculture and trade led the ground and bird works for the future societal and the economically system. Question number 2. Estimates the contributions of Palwas of the Kanchis and for the development of arts and the literature of South India. Core demand of the questions stimulated the condition of Palwas of Kanchi and for the development of arts of the South India. Highlighted the conditions of the Palwas of the Kanchi and for the development of the literature of South India. Answer. The Palwas of the Kanchi 4th to 9th century CE and were powered the dynasty in the South India now for their the significant contribution to arts and the architecture and literature. There the resigns and marked the transitions from the rock cut to structural temples influences the Dravidian styles of architectures. They also the promoted the Sanskrit and Tamil literatures lines the culturals and foundation for later South Indian dynasty like the Cholas and the Vijayanagaras empires and contribution of Palwas of the Kanchi to the South India art. Rock cut temple, the Palwas rock cut temple, the Palwas and the pioneered and cut rock cuts architecture, creating the remarkable monuments and that the serve as other foundation for later temples construction. For example, the Maha and the Balipurams and styles temples and the 5 Rathas and the Panch Rathas are renowned, and for their the architectural innovation, structural temples. The Palwas initiates the transitions from the rock cut to the structural temples and introducing more complex and architectural style. For example, the Kailashnath's temples in the Kanchipuram is one of the earliest temples, example of grand structural temples architecture in South India, and developing of the Dravidian architecture. They play either key roles in the evolutions of Dravidian architecture with the distinctive elements like the Vimanas towers and the Gopurams and gateway. For example, the Bekuntas and the Perumals temples showcases the innovations of the Dravidian temples designs. The contribution to the sculptures Palwas artisans excelled in the sculptures and the iconographies and producing the intricate reliefs structures and that the depicted methodologicals and themes. For example, the descent of the Gangas and panels in the Mahabalipuram and is other masterpiece of Palwas reliefs the sculptures. Iconography and influence the Palwas and the iconography and the particularly in the depictions of the deities had a profound impact on the later. The Palwas iconography and the particularly in the depictions of deities had a profound impact on the later South Indian artistic traditions. For example, the depiction of the deities influenced the famous Chola bronzes, especially in terms of the financial expression and postures. Innovation in temple constructions. The Palwas introduced multi and the tiles temples and with unique and the architectural elements like the layered and the centuries. For example, the shore temples in the Mahabalipuram and with its the multiple shrines and represented and the advanced phase of temple architecture. Influences on the later dynasty Palwas arts and the architectures laid the foundations for the Cholas and the Vijayanagaras dynasty and which furthers and the refined and thus style. For examples, the Cholas performed the Dravidian temple architectures and inspired by the Palwa innovation. Contribution of the Palwas of the Kanchi and to the South Indians. Indian literature and promotion of the Sanskrit literature. The Palwas and were the patrons of Sanskrit scholars, encouraging the composition of the literary and the philosophical works. And for example, the Matta and Vilasas and the Prahashana. Prahashanas are the Sanskrit and the fairs and attributed into the king and the Mahendravarman's first is other notable Palwas era work. Sanskrit, Tamil and the synthesis under the Palwas rules and there was other fusions of Sanskrit and Tamil literature promoting the Bhakti movement and devotional poetry. For example, the Dantin and the authored and the Kavya Darshan which influences the both Sanskrit and the Tamil literacy. And for example, the Dandin and the authored and the Kavya Darshan which influences the both Sanskrit and Tamil literacy traditions reflected the culturals and sciences under the Palwa rules. Sanskrit, Tamil and the synthesis under the Palwas rules and there was a fusion of the Sanskrit and the Tamil literature promoting the Bhakti movement and devotional poetry. For example, Dantin authored and the Kavya Darshans and which influenced the both Sanskrit and the Tamil literacy traditions reflecting the cultures and the synthesis under the Palwa rules. Contribution to the Tamil literature. The Palwas promotes the growth of the Tamil Bhakti and literature supporting the works of the Shaivas and Vaishnavas. For example, the Palwas supported the Tamil and Vaishnava Sant and the Mangalai Albers, and whose the devotional hymns in praise of Lord Vishnu's significant contribution to the Tamil Bhakti literatures during their regimes. And growth of the secular Tamil literatures apart from the religious texts, the Palwas also the encourage secular Tamil literatures covering the topics like the arts and grammars and philosophicals. For example, works related to grammars and the philosophies flourished during the Palwas rules and patronage of learning centers. And Kanchipurams emerged as other major learning hub under the Palwas, attracting the scholars from the across India and beyond. For examples, the Ghatikas at the Kanchi was other removed educational institution where the scholars like the Bodhi Dharmas and studies support for the Bhakti movement. The Palwas and played a key role in the Bhakti movement, providing rural supports to the Sivas and Vaishnavas and poets, the helping spread the devotionals literature. For example, appears the Sambandars and Sundarar were the prominated and the Shivas point who the thrived under the Palwas patronage. The Palwas of Kanchi were instrument in shaping the art and literature of South India. There the innovations in the architecture such as rock cut and the structural temples laid the groundwork for the future Dravidian styles, and while there the patronage of Sanskrit and Tamil literature portrayed the growth of devotionals and secular works. There the cultural contribution and profoundly influences the Cholas and the South. Other South Indian dynasty leaving other lasting legacy. What were the events and that led to the Quiet India movement, and point out its the result. Core demands of the question highlights the events and that led to the Quiet India movement. Highlight the result of the Quiet India movement. The Quiet India movement launched on the August 8, 1942. Marked a turning point in India's struggles for the independence in the spearheaded and by the Mahatma Gandhi with the slogans and do and die. The movement was a direct response to growing the discontent and with the British rule during the World War II. The failure of the diplomatics and efforts like the Cripps missions and economic strength due to the war pushed Indians to demand uh, an end to British rule and leading to the widespread uprisings. Event leading to the Quiet India movement 1942. But were the event and that and the leads to the Quiet India movement, and point out its the result. Core demands and of the question highlight the event and that led to the Quiet India highlight the result of the Quiet India movement. The Quiet India movement launched on the August 9, 1942 and marked other turnings and point in India's struggle for independence and spearhead and by the Mahatma Gandhi and with the slogans and do and die. The movement was a direct response and to grow the discontent and with the British rules during the World War II. The failure of the diplomatics and effort like the Cripps mission and the economic strain due to the war and pushed the Indian to the demands an end and to the British rule and leading to the widespread uprisings. Event leading to the Quiet India movement 1942 and growth of the Indian nationalism in the 1913 and 1914 show a surge in the Indian nationalism led by the figures and like the Gandhi, Nehru and the Subhash Chandra Bose, and for example mass movement and like the civil disorders movement emerging of Indian emerged the Indian population, creating the momentums and for the final push against the British rule. Impact of the World War II, the British decisions to involve India's in the World War II and without the consulting Indians and leadings the created and widespread resentment across the country. For example, in 1939, the Indian National Congress resigned from the provincial government in the protest as India was the drawn into the war without its the consent and depending the disintegrations and economic exploitations and failures. Post-war India and land and endangered and savers, economics exploitations and the famines under the British rule and worsening the public discontent. Discontent futures of the Cripps Mission 1942. The Cripps Mission sent by the British in India in March 1942 offered India post-war and dominated the status but the killed into the promise and immediately and self-rules and for example the Indian leaders and influencing the Mahatma Gandhi rejected the proposals as it did not meet demand for the complete independence and the intensified and anti-British sentiments and the rejection of India demands for the self-government by the 1942 Indian leaders and were the frustrated and with the British and refusals to grant self-government. The Indian National Congress led by the Gandhiji and the began advocating and for the British to the quiet India pushing the EU for immediately independence. Mahatma Gandhi leaderships and Gandhi and unwavering commitment to non-violence and resistances of inspired millions of Indians and unitizing the nations in the struggle for freedom. For example, Gandhiji called for the satyagraha and mass mobilizations and led to the launch of the Quiet India movements in August 1942 demanding British departure. Result of the Quiet India movement 1942 mass uprisings and representation. The movement sparked and widespread uprising, the streaked and the sabotage and although the brutally and represented by the British and with the thousands imprisoned. For instance, and in cities like the Mumbai and Pune, large crowds and protected the while many the railways and telegraph lines and were the destroyed. Unified national spirits and the Quiet India movement fostered and a strong sense of national unity. बाप मत रखो, बाप का रखना, बाप में बैठ रही हूँ और भी कितनी mass uprising and repressions the movement and the spark widespread uprisings strict and the sabotage and although the brutally and represented by the British and with the thousands inspired. For intense in the cities and like the Mumbai and Patna and large Jai unified national spirit and the Quiet India movement fostered other strong and sense of the national unity, bringing together diverse and the groups and across India in the fights for the independent. For instance, pupils and from all the walks of life and farmer, student and industrial workers and joined forces solidified and the national revolts for the complete freedoms and of the British and colonial legitimacy. The movement proud that the British colonials ruled and had lost its the legitimacy in the eyes of the Indian and the accelerating the demand for the independence. Increased representations. Increased repressions by the British. In response, the British enacted several representation arrested over the 1 lakh leaders and activities including the Gandhi and Nehru. For instance, the Hearst and the crackdown reinforces the Indian people's determination for freedoms, making the British controlled over India. Emergence of parallels and governments, local parallels. Government emerged in South India, in some parts of India and challenging British authority and showing the desire for self-rule. For example, in the Sataras, Maharashtra and the Balia, Uttar Pradesh, local administrations were forms other part of the movement and momentums. Strengthening the leader Indians and the National Congress despite the arrest of many the leaders and the Indian National Congress solidified its the role on the leading force in the independence movement. For example, the Congress leaderships in the organizing to fight India movement established it as the undisputed leaders of the India struggle for freedom, set the stage for the post-war independence negotiations. Although the movement did not immediately achieve independence, it is laid the groundwork for the post-World War II negotiations. For example, the British Labour government elected in 1945 recognized the need for Indian independence, leading to the 1947 transfer of power, international attentions and support. The Quiet India movement and garnered an international attention, putting the pressure on Britain to reconsider it is the colonial policy. For example, the US and others the nations began to recognize the inevitabilities of the Indians' independence, increasing global support for the Indian causes. The Quiet India movement of 1942 marked a critical turning point in India's freedom struggles, demonstrating the country's and ungovernabilities under the British rule. Although the brutalities and represented the movement strengthened Indian unity and weakened the British authority and highlighted the growing international pressures on the colonial regimes. The sacrifice made during the movement laid the foundations for India's eventual independence in 1947. What is sea surface temperature rise and how does it affect the formations of tropical cyclones? Core demands of the question. Discuss the phenomena of sea surface temperature sites and highlighted how does the surface temperature rise affect the formation of tropical cyclones. Sea surface temperature rise and SST and refers to the significant increase in the temperature of ocean surface water and primarily and driven by the anthropogenics and climate changes. This trends and has the profounded the implications for the global climate systems. For example, the average and sea the surface and temperature SST over the extrapolar oceans has the increased and by about 0 degrees Celsius over the last 4 decades and about the 0.9 degrees Celsius since the pre and the industrial era influences cyclones formation and intensities. The phenomena of the sea surface temperature rise, greenhouse gas emitted and the ocean heats and absorptions increases the greenhouse gas and the concentrations traps heat in the atmospheres and fusing the ocean to absorb more heat. This the observations result in other rise in sea surface temperature SST and contributing to global warming and alternative marine ecosystem. Carbon dioxide absorptions. Oceans act as the carbon sinks and the absorptions Absorptions: about 30% of the human emits CO2. As the CO2 dissolve in water, it is the enacts react to forms and carbonic acid, altering oceans and chemicals, and the contributing to the warmings of the surface water. And albedos affect the meltings of polar ice, reduced the earth and reflective surfaces. Albedos allowing and more the sunlight to be the absorbed and by oceans waters, and this the accelerate and SST rise, leading to the further ice melts and in other feedbacks and loops, which weapons sea levels rise and the disrupts and polar ecosystems. Global atmospheric temperatures rise according to NASA's Goddard Institution for Space Studies (GISS) and global sea surface temperature (SST), and have rise in the parallels, and with the global atmospheric temperature increasing by the approximately 1.1 degrees Celsius since the 1880. Altered ocean current: changes in ocean currents and like the slowdowns of the Atlantics and Mediterranean over turning circulations AMOC, disrupt heat and the distributions and lead to the localized and warmings. Increase solar radiation enhance the greenhouse gas and concentrations, trap more heat in the atmosphere, causing the ocean to absorb the more solar energies and increase the surface temperature. For example, the Mediterranean Sea has warms and by the approximately 0.4 degrees Celsius per decade, and from the 1985 to 206 altering marine ecosystem and weather the pattern in surrounding regions. Impact of SST rise on the tropical cyclones formation. Increase intensities higher SST and provides the more frequently and the several storms rising the SST and lead to an increase in the numbers of the several tropical cyclones. And for example, the 2020 Atlantic and the hurricane seasons, and which was one of the most active on record, show 30 names storms the driven in part by the higher than average and SST in the Atlantic. Amplified rainfall, warmers and ocean surfaces increase the moistures and content in the atmosphere, leading to higher, heavier rainfall during the cyclones. This can cause the devastating flood. Extended duration cyclones, the fueled by the higher SST and tend to last longer and the travels and further inlanded. For example, cyclones Idai 2019 and maintain it is the intensities and well after the land falls in the Mozambique, and due to the unusually and warm waters of the Mozambique channels, shift in cyclone tracks and SST rise can alter the cyclone's tracks and pushing them towards regions that the historical experiences favors. Such storms, for instance, and Hurricanes Opelias 2017 and reach as far as the Ireland. The rare occurrence attributions and to the anomalous SST in North Atlantic. Impact on the vulnerable regions: contributions with the warmers and waters, and such as those the borderings and the Indians and the Pacific Oceans are more prone to intensified tropical cyclones. For example, the Philippines and the Caribbean already have the frequently targeted of the typhoons and hurricanes, and face increased risk due to the warming ocean and temperature. The rise in the sea and surface the temperature significantly challenges why the increasing the intensity and frequently of tropical cyclones. However, the global climate's action, including the reducing the greenhouse gas emissions and adopting the sustainable coastal development practices, can help the mitigate this rise. Further modes and advancement in cyclones forecasting and the coordinated international efforts are the crucial for the enhancing resiliences and safeguarding ecosystem and community. Question number 5. Why do large cities and tend to attract more migrant than the smallest towns, and discuss in the light of the conditions in developing countries? Core demand of the question: discuss why large cities and land tend to attract more migrants than the smallest towns in developing countries. Discuss why the smallest towns are not attracting migrants and compared to large cities in developing countries. Rural-urban migration refers to the movements of pupils and from the rural area to urban centers and in the south search of the better and employment and living the conditions and social services. According to the UN, nearly 55% of the global population now the resides in the urban area, a problem that is expected to the increase to the 68% and by the 2050, and with the large cities acting as the hubs for the economic activities and affording diverse opportunity, particularly in developing countries. Data migration stand as other prominent failures of 21st century, with over the 258 million individuals and residents outside the countries of the origin UN habits. Reasons why large cities tend to the attract and more migrant than the smallest towns in developing countries. Diverse in employment opportunities. Large cities provided a wider range of job opportunities across the multiple sectors such as the manufacturing, services and technology, which small towns lacks. For example, Mumbai offers jobs in finance, retail and IT, attracting job seekers. Better access to education and healthcare. Urban centers host more universities, colleges, and specialized healthcare facilities. For example, Delhi has some of the country's top the education institutions, including Delhi University (DU) and the All India Institution of Medical Science (AIIMS), and improved infrastructures. Cities have the superior infrastructures with better road, public and transportation, sanitation, and electricity. For example, Jakarta and Lagos offer better services compared to rural or the small town setting. Cultures and social attractions. Cities offer the richer culture scenes, the entertainment options, and social amenities. For example, Cairo has the vibrant culture hubs with the numbers and festivals, museums and theaters. Social safety nets and network migrant are the drawn to areas where the stabilize the community and the social networks can help them with and the accommodations and employment. For example, Sao and Paulo has strong the migrant networks and that provide support to the newcomers and perceived and economic mobility. Large cities and symbolized and success and the upwards and mobilities and which the attract migrant seeking better livelihood. And for example, in New Delhi and Mumbai's many the pupils migrate with the hope of the economic improvement. Government and private investment. Cities often the receive significant government and cooperation in investment, boosting job creations and development project. For example, IT hubs like the Bangalore draw the pupils and from the smallest towns. Reasons why smallest towns are not the attracting migrant compared to the large cities in developing countries. Limited job opportunity. Smaller towns have favors and industries and the business limiting in employment prospects. For example, rural areas provided the favors formal jobs, driving residents towards the cities like the Lagao, Lagos and New Delhi. Lower access to quality education and healthcare. Small towns often lacks and the reputable higher education institution and advanced healthcare services. For example, small towns and rural areas in Bihar have limited access to the quality higher education, with reputations and institutions like the Patna University and the Nalanda University primarily education in larger cities. Poor infrastructures. Smaller towns struggles with the underdeveloped road and electricity and public services. Lack of investment and economics developments, and smaller towns often miss out on the public and private investment. For example, cities like the Sao and Paulo or the Nairobis and received the works of the development and projected living. The smallest towns underdeveloped and stagnant and social and the cultural environment. The absence of diverse social and the cultural activities in smaller towns can the deters young and migrate. For example, youth in Mexico, smaller towns often migrate to urban areas for better cultural and social experience. Insufficient government services. Beakers government and favors public services and such as the healthcare, sanitation and safety plague smaller towns. For example, this is especially true in the southwest and Asias, and where many small towns struggles to the provided basis and municipal services. Migrant push facts. Small towns are often more the vulnerable and to the naturals and disasters, drought, and the economically instability. To address the overwhelming influences of migrants to large cities in developing countries, efforts must focus on the decentralizing opportunities and improving the infrastructure in smaller towns, and by the promoting and balances urban development. Thus the resigns and can become the visible alternatives, reducing the strain on major cities and the pavings the way for more and the equitable and the sustainable urbanization in the future. What is the phenomenon of the cloud burst? And explain core demands of the questions and the sad light of the characteristic of cloudbursts. A cloudburst is an the extreme weather events characterized by the sudden, instant, and rainfall over other localized areas, often within and the hours, and leading to the flash flood. And for the instance, in 2013, a cloudburst in the Uttarakhand and India triggered devastating flood and the landslide, illustrating the destructive potential of such events, and especially in the mountain region. And phenomenon of the cloudburst and repeat upwards and movement and orographics and lifting clouds burst occurs when warmth and moisture and ladders air the rapidly rise cools and the condenses into dense clouds. For example, in the Himalayas, steeps and the terrains, accelerated and orographics, lifting cuisines, havings and the rainfalls. For example, rainfalls and as seen in the 2013 Kedarnath tragedy and localized low and the pressure zones and the development of local pressure area in high the altitude regions and attract the moisture laden and wind the leading to heavy clouds and formation and the eventuals and cloudburst. For example, the 2020 and cloudbursts in the Himachal Pradesh and can be the linked and to the south low pressure zones in the atmosphere. saturations of airs, and when air holds and more the moisture than it can sustain any the sudden atmospheric disturbances can lead to excessive rainfall, atmospheric instabilities, and collisions, and between the one's most airs and cooler airs, the pocket create unstable atmospheric conditions and raging cloudburst. For example, the 2014 and cloudburst in Jammu and Kashmir, and which leads to the widespread destructions and was the result of such and the instabilities. Global warming and climate changes, rising the global temperatures have the led to and the increase in the atmospheric moistures and levels making the cloudburst and more the frequent and the intense and the characterize of the cloudbursts. कहाँ लिए मैंने कहीं मोबाइल मोड़ लूँगा दिख गई मैंने उठा कहाँ दिख गई High intensity rainfall cloudbursts are defined by the rainfall exceeds and 100 मोह नहीं है पता चाक ले वाय and then 20 and 30 square kilometers. For example, in 2022 Amarnath Yatra and cloudbursts and where other specific zone experience extreme rainfall causing the repeat floodings. Short durations. Though the cloudburst lasts only a few minutes and the hours, the intensity of rainfall and causes immense damage. For example, the 2021 Uttarakhand cloudburst and lasted for about 30 minutes and causing the flash flood in the several areas. The Sudan area surge and the dam branch and cloudburst often and causes other repeat and uncontrolled surges in the rivers and water level putting the immense and pressures on dams and sometimes the causings breaches that result in the catastrophic and flash flood and occurrence in hilly regions. Cloudbursts are most the common in the mountains regions like the Himalayas and due to the orographics and effect lack of the predictability. Cloudbursts are difficult to the forecast due to their the sudden and localized natures. As the climate patterns shift, the frequency and intensity of the cloudbursts and are the expected to rise and particularly in the vulnerable areas enhances weather forecasting and disaster preparedness and will be the essentially to the mitigate there the impact and help communities adapt to theirs to those unpredictables and events in the future. So, what is the concept of other demographics winters is the word and moving towards such as the situation elaborated core demands of the question, discuss the concept of the demographical winters and discuss the arguments in favors and that the world in the moving towards such a the situations highlights and that there are the exceptions to it in some reasons and suggest either situatables and way ahead. The concept of the demographic winters and refers to other prolonged and decline in the birth rate and the agencies populations leading to other shrinking work forms and societal and challenges and countries like the Japan and Italy are already experiencing this phenomenon with declining the population and increasing dependency ratios, rising concern about the economics and sustainability about declining birth rate, demographic winters in the marked by the persistently and low wealth. Low birth rate often failing below the replacement level of the 2.1 children per woman. For example, Russia experienced significant declines in the fertilities and ratio rates and leading to the aging population and the shrinking about forces aging populations. A significant feature of demographical winters is an increasing median age within the population as the proportions of elderings individual rises. And for example, Germany and Greece are the witnessing the growing shares of senior cities, and which can lead and to increase healthcare and pensions burdens on the younger population declines. A demographic winters often result in and the overall declines in population size as death rates may exceed birth rate. And for example, and the Bulgarians and has seen either demographic dramatic population and decreased due to and low the fraternity and the immigrations, leading to concern about the economic sustainability. Yes, the world is moving towards the demographic winters in the sum and the regions and widespread low fraternity, and many the countries and worldwide are the experiencing declines. Birth rate birth rate for widespread low and the fraternity, many the countries widespread worldwide are the experiencing declines birth rate. And for the example, and South Korea and fraternity and rate has dropped to one of the lowest globally, raising alarms about the future population and sustainability. Aging population and the aging populations and seen in the countries like the Japan and Germany result from the longer life and expectancies and lower birth rate, and leading to challenges such as the increased health care demands, pensions pressures, and potential slower shortage and delay and marriages and the parenthood in many parts of the world. Individuals are the delaying and marriage and the parenthood. Marriage and parenthood due to the career aspirants and the economically pressure, urbanization in urban settings, and couples and often the delay marriage and children marriage and childhood, and with the better access to family planning and birth rate continue to fall. This trend combines and with and the aging populations is leading the certain regimes and like parts of the Europe and East Asia towards demographic declines, and where the population may the shrink and the create long terms and economic and social challenges. For example, in urbanized and the countries like the South Korea and the Singapore, smaller family size are the common contributing to the demographic winters and scenarios. Rising cost of the livings, the high cost of the education, housing, and the healthcare, and discourages families and from the having more children, accelerating the trend towards the population declines, and exceptions to the trend and sub-Saharan Africans in contract to the declines and fertility rates and elsewhere, and Nigers and Ugandas still have fertility and rates about the 5 children per woman, and Africans populations is projected to the doubled by the 2015, contributing to global population growth. South Asia, while the countries like the Bangladesh are seeing the declines and fertility rates, and it is the remains about the replacement and labor, particularly in the rural areas, and ensuring the country continued and population growth in the near future. The immigrations as other balancer nations like the Canadas and Australia are using the immigrations to the offset declinings and birth rate and the maintaining populations growth and addressing labor shortage. This helps and the mitigates and the effect of demographic winters. Traditional societies in the Middle East culturals factor in some countries. In some countries and supports the larger family size, and whereas the fertility rates remain relatively and high the compared to the global averages. Latin Americas and transitions, although the fertility rates and are the declines in the Latin America. Countries like the Guatemala and the Bolivia still maintains higher fertility rate, preventing other peer repeat and shift towards the demographic winters. Way forward promotes pro and the natalist and the policies governments can the encourages and balanced family planning, although the financial incentives and parental leaves and affordable child cares and housing supports adapt to and the aging populations countries and south should invest in healthcare, pensions reforms, and the services catering to and the aging populations. For example, Japan focus on the elders care. The technology is and the example of preparing and for the futures. Economic reforms addressing rising cost of living and housing, the affordabilities and job securities can create a more supporting environment for families' growth. For example, Denmark has the implemented policies and that the balanced works life and dynamics and to promote the higher birth rates and technology and innovations. Investing in the automations and the robotics can help the mitigates labor shortage, global cooperations and collaborations among the countries, especially and those the experiencing and the demographic winters, can the promotes and knowledge sharing the technologies exchange and migration policies to manage the populations and challenges and effectively. Global standard the reveals is a complex landscapes of demography and while some and the countries particularly in the Europe and East Asia face population declines and oft others in the Africas and parts of the Asias and country continue to experience the robust growth and this the duality and the necessities and either comprehensive and the understandings of demographics dynamics making other balanced and approach essential for the furtherance and resiliences and the sustainabilities in other deserve diverse global context. Distinguish between the genders equalities and genders equalities and women's empowerment. Why is it important to take the genders concern into the accounts in the promote progress programs and design and implementation standard core demands of the question. Distinguish between the gender equalities and gender the equalities and the woman empowerment. Explain the importance of taking gender concern into the accounts in the progress program design and implementations. Suggest other situatables and way forward. Gender equalities and gender quality. Gender equalities and gender equity and women empowerment are the interconnected and concern that aims to the address the social economically and politically disparities faced by the women and while the gender equalities and ensures that the everyone's has the same and rights and opportunities. Gender equalities and focus on the fairness and justice in the treatment. Women empowerment on the other hand is about providing women and with the tools and the resources to make the independent decisions and lead the fulfilling lives. Gender the equalities refers to the ensuring that the individuals and of all the genders and have the equal right and responsibilities and opportunities. It is the eliminated and legal and systemic and discrimination based on the genders. And for the instance, the Constitution of India guarantees equal rights for all the citizens and regardless of genders, promoting the equal access to education, jobs and property. Genders equalities and genders the equality involves giving pupils and fairs the treatment based on their the specific needs and situations. Recognize and historical and social disadvantage faced by the women. And for the instance and initiatives like the Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao provided extra support to girls and in India and to the correct gender imbalanced in the education and healthcare. Women's empowerment means the givings women's the ability to make the independence decision and access the resources and that the enables them to the live fulfilling lives. And for the instance, programs like the self-help and groups and SHGs in rural Indias and the empowers and women economically. Economically and the society, providing them with the financial independence and leadership opportunity. Importance of taking genders and concern into the account in programs designs and implementation, addressing historical disparities and gender sensitive programs help to the rectified and historical genders imbalanced and ensuring that the women and receive the necessary supports to catch up in the areas where they have been and traditionally and marginalized. For example, the National Rural Livelihood Missions (NRLM) focused on empowering rural women by the providing financial and skill building supports, economic growth and development, gender equalities promotes inclusive and the economic growth and why the tappings into the full potentials of the populations. For example, according to the MC Kinsey and Global Institution India, SDG could and increase by the 717 billions by the 2025 with the improved gender parities in the workforce, better health and outcomes programs, and that the incorporate gender considerations and result in improved health and outcomes for the women and the particularly in the materials and reproductive health. For example, the Pradhan Mantri Matra and Bandana Yojana and support the pregnant women and nursing mothers with the financial incentives and for the better nutrition and health care. Political representation and policy making, policy institutionality. The 33% reservations of women in parliament and through the Women's Reservations Act of 2023 and will ensure that the women perspectives are the include and creating the gender sensitive policy. For example, increased the female representations in local governance such as the under the Panchayat and Ras Act has led to other strong focus on the women's centralized issues like the sanitation, health care and education, benefiting communities and improves the social indicators and genders focused on the interventions and contributes to the improvement in the literary rates, education and socials and the status for women. For examples, the Kasturba Gandhi and Balika Vidya Laya and the schemes providing the residential schools for the girls and for marginalized community